Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Food Debug. Today we are making Rasmalai with Shan Rasmalai mix. Milk 1 liter. Boil for 15 minutes on medium heat. Now add sugar 1 cup. Mix everything. In a bowl, Shan Rasmalai mix. Egg 1 as per instructions I am doing. Mix well. Ghee 1 tablespoon. Rasmalai mix. Now dough is ready. Make small balls like this. You don't need to add any dry fruits or anything. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. Refrigerate for 1 hour before serving. If you want, you can add saffrons on top. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.